Sanibona nonke enibukela le video senza i-Doppler effects namhlanje. I-Doppler effects ama-questions wethu lawa awu-3. Sikhuluma ngani kuthi kune-source nani ne-observer. Yeah, then i-source of sound ishuthi ilona okhipha umsindo. Then like i-siren yabo. Then i-siren isiyona source yethu leyo. Then i-observer iyafana ne-listener, iyafana ne-detector. Ilo recordayo ukuthi yena uzwa umsindo ongakanani yabo. Yeah, into ekanjalo. Base bethi lana bathini question yethu ithi a sound source is moving at a constant velocity. A sound source move at a constant velocity. Then past a stationary observer. I-observer yethu injani imile. Shuthi iye indlula i-stationary observer. Base bethi frequency edetectiwe i-detectwa yini i-listener obvious. As i-sound as i-source i-approach naye source yethu la yenza njani i-approach u-FL o recorded as iza kanje belingana nobani no 2600 yabo belingana 2600 baqhubeka basebethi the frequency detected as the source moves away from the observer. Futhi njengamanje ihambile hamba la source kodwa mase isayimove away from lo u-listener wethu or u-detector or u-observer as simove away shuthi seyingale kwakhe seyimove away manje beyisaya toward beya kuye mase move away shuthi seyasuka kwesiya le source yethu urecord webani ke isikhathi seyimove away frequency of listener urekhodele yabo 1750 kukanje iyona into eyenzakalayo le lo ulistener une-velocity yakhe imile eyaloye ikhona i-velocity asiyazi ikhona futhi nala usihamba ngayo kuthiwa injani i-constant ayishintshi shuthi mawu-10 meters per second la nala kusewuyena base bethi name the phenomenon that describes the apparent change in frequency detected by a listener. Name the phenomena yini leyona leyo ileyo concept leyo echaza lento lesho la describe i-change or ileyo term or concept leyo describe the apparent change leyo term yaziyo i-definition yokuqala ukuthi the apparent change in frequency detected by observer yipi i-Doppler effect. Doppler effect sikhuluma nge-Doppler effect iyona phenomenon abayifunayo le. Then siqhubeke base bethi state one practical application of the phenomenon in 4.1.1 yabo sabakutshela still nala. Then in the field of medicine angithi mo practical application okhona uyawazi khona yini ultrasound ne-Doppler flow meter ama-instruments lawo. Then i-application yakhona so uyachaza ukuthi sekwenzakalani uchaza eyodwa kuphela. Then sochaza ini i-Doppler flow meter. I-application yakhona yosuke kwenzakalani i-Doppler flow meter isuke imeasure ini i-speed selokhunjane of blood angithi suke imeasure i-speed. Then measures the rates at which blood flows in blood vessels, okay, in blood vessels emthanjeni yegazi suke imeasure lokho i-Doppler flow meter. Yeah, kusuke kwi-medicine yonke lento suke yenziwa kwi-medicine yabo khunywa ngomzimba in blood vessels. Or wenze njani uthi wena wenza i-ultrasound suke measure ini i-temperature of inside the womb. Yeah, inside the womb of measure i-temperature of an unborn fetus inside the womb. Suke measure ukuthi i-temperature yakhe ikanganani umntwana ongakazalwa ngaphakathi esibelethweni somama wakhe. Then kusuke kunjalo uthatha one only shoot 1 mark la. Then 4.1.3 uthi calculate the speed of the moving source. Angithi ngishilo ngathi futhi sibonile sonke ukuthi abasitshelanga ukuthi iwubani i-velocity yakhe, isona speed sakhe. Okay, kulungile. Babuza wona ukuthi ingakanani-ke njengamanje. Base bekunikeza ukuthi ukuze uthole leyo nto leyo bazokunikeza nje u6 marks. Uyenza kanjani leyo nto? Ngeke iphele i-question ungayisebenzisanga vele le formula le. Okay, usuyayibuza ukuthi i-velocity ye-source ikuphi i-formula? I-formula ye-Doppler effect ethini? Ethi frequency of listener is equal to V plus minus ikule formula ngithi le. Ikule formula le nangu Vs bamfunayo, velocity 1 we-source lona okhipha lokho njani i-sound. Yeah, iyona source yethu leyo. Yini lana i-velocity ye-source, bafuna le velocity ye-source. Mawubheka la sinama-serial awu-2, sinala khona ku-approacher nalapho khona senza njani, seyithi go away, yabo. Shuthi seyithi move away, lana sathi move toward. Shuthi ama-formula uzonza kube izinto eziyi-2. Uzoqala wenza i-source saya-toward, wenze substitute, ubone ukuthi ayitholi i-answer. Ungayitholi usuzokwenza lapho khona seyi-source seyanjani away. Suya substitute i-frequency ye-listener as iya toward ilokho njani. Frequency of listener shuthi lo ubani wethu toward as i-source iya toward i-observer. I-frequency ye-listener usuke detecte bani u-listener wethu. Kuthiwa as it approaches shuthi iza kuyena detector le. Yabo, bese kuthi velocity i-speed of sound in air lesi bathe ubani 340 asinalutho angize bakunaletha la iyona ko 340 as iya toward angithi maya toward suke kwenza njani, sifaka ubani u-plus ku-numerator kuphela. Numerator yomba ukuthi sizofaka bani, sithatha usin O plus. Le formula ithatha njengoba nje uyibhale ukuze uthole ama-marks ephelele. La phezulu O plus, then i-velocity ye-listener, i-listener yethu imile, bashilo bathi stationary observer. Mese senza njani, silana sifaka i-sign opposite le u-minus. Mese senza njani, u-340 la. I-velocity ye-source iyona le, then i-frequency ye-source ayikho, angithi abasinikezanga. Kusho ukuthini, sine-unknown le nale. Shuthi ihamba kanjani lento, ithi 2600 u-340 plus 0 u-340. Yabo, kukanje. Then sesiya kwi-part yesibili ngoba still thina sifuna lo kodwa kusenalo. So uya kwi-part yesibili manje. Nakhona futhi awuvila lapho uyambhala lo equation le. Ithathe ngemuva. Then usuya check ukuthi kuleli point sekubani lo away yangithi. Ilapho khona isource yethu senza njani, seyithi moves away from i-observer or i-detector. Shuthini, shuthi ngoba simuva away, i-numerator yakho sesiba nobani no-minus. Frequency listener usuke sedetecte bani, as frequency detected as the source moves away. I-frequency detectiwe ile. Ngoba i-detectiwe i-detectwa i-listener, shuthi i-listener. Then u-340 la, speed of sound in air as siyam away, maku away senza njani, u-minus. Yabona khona into enciphayo vele masuhamba ngithi nomsindo sowuza umncane, that's why la sifaka u-minus, numerator kuphela. Then kwi-denominator ufaka u-plus-ke, awafani, akufuneka afane ama-sign, kumele angafani. Shuthi u-V lesithi 1 we-listener isamile still, then u-340, then u-Vs ilo esimfunayo, frequency of the source. Emva kwala senza njani, siya simplify la, ubani answer u-340 plus 0, shuthi u-340 plus into engekho, shuthi kusala u-340. Then kusele 1 la times the frequency of the source. Then emva la sesenza njani? Sesiya lokhu njake. Sesine equation 1. Okay, sinani sine-unknown la. Kusho ukuthini? Sekuyingakhandeka ukuthi sithi equation because asisakwazi ukuthi kuya phambili. Nala sekuyini equation. Kodwa skills into enosisayo ukuthini? Ukuthi sifuna ini? I-velocity ye-source. I-velocity ye-source la iyafana ne-velocity ye-source la. Then ne-frequency ye-source la iyafana futhi ne-frequency ye-source. Iloku injalo frequency ye-source ayishintshi. Ukuthi ikhala ivolume ku-20 iku-20 ivolume yemoto izohlezi ku-20 yize lona oyizwayo eyakhe seyishintsha njengamanje. Then ingakho kuba kanjalo. Kusho ukuthini-ke? Kusho ukuthi la ngithi iningi indlela zokusolva ini ama-equations awu-2. It's either wenza njani makunawa equation awu-2 uyawa-minus ama-equation wakho cause khona le term ofuna ukuyi-eliminator kusale lena oyidingayo. Lana singenza kanjani? Singenza njani uku-eliminator lo fs ngoba siyamazi ukuthi uyafana ngapha nangapha. Then cause sikhuluma ngani? Nge-source eyodwa. Singenza njani? Siya-divide-ke ukuze bezowenjani? Bezokhanselana. Shuthi so-divide njengamanje. Sothi equation 1 wethu lo, sithi equation 2 wethu lo. Shuthi sothini? Equation 1 divided by equation 2. Shuthini? Lo wa right somdivide nalo. Shuthi iqala ithini? 1750 divide lo ngapha nalo ngapha. Shuthi divide by bani? Equation 2 2600 is equal to 340 over 340 plus Vs. Angithi lokho siyavuma ukuthi ekugcineni kuzogcina kuyinamba. Kushuthi singakuvalela la kube inamba kodwa. Divide by equation 1 lo la phezulu angithi yabo. Equation 1 divide by equation 2 divide by lo kumele ngene ngaphansi. Kushuthi 340 over 340 minus Vs multiply by Fs. Nalo uyinamba ekugcineni kosuku. Kushuthi singamvalela. Then mase uyichecka kahle sekwenzeka kanjani? Sowenza njani? Lo divide by lo 1 kushuthi uyaphela lo. Wena ukwenza lokho awucrash kanje kwi-test yakho. Then kusho ukuthi into osusele nayo yiphi? Yile nale. Then emva lapho usewenza njani? You can either ucheck ukuthi lokhu ku-divisible yini. 1750 divided by 2600. Usuya-check ukuthi yabo ukuthi kukhipha bani i-fraction yethu encane kanje. Kushuthi sisele nobani? Siseyiqhubezela ukuthi sisele nobani. Then for ukuyiqhubezela ukuthi ngiqhubezele la. Angithi sidivide lokho kwaphuma u-35 over 52 over 52 u-left hand side. Then u-right hand side wethu u-340 over bani? Over 340 plus Vs kanje angithi. Divide by bani? Divide by lo. Then since ku-divide kanje sizokwenza kanjani? Since ku-divide kanje asenze njani? Simdivide eceleni. Shuthi lo simdivide eceleni. Ile number le yodwa sele sidivide. Singasho ukuthi divide la eceleni but just ukuthi sikhombise sifuna ukuqhubeka. Asimshintshe u-division abe u-multiplication. Masimshintshe u-multiplication okade e-numerator useba yini? I-denominator. Shuthi u-340 seba la. Ungayenza step by step uzogcina ufikile answering.